As we gather here today to commission the extension of the Inner Southern Expressway I-6 and the Outer Southern Expressway O-6 to the Southern Parkway, we celebrate not just the completion of yet another road project by the FCT administration, but also the commitment of our administration to engendering progress and prosperity. Today's commissioning is the fourth completed road that we have proudly unveiled in the Federal Capital Territory, all executed in less than 1 year. I'm filled with gratitude to His Excellency, Barrister Nyesom Wike and his team for their dedication and hard work in making this road a reality. These roads are tangible proofs of our administration's vision for a modern, prosperous, and inclusive federal capital. 1 year ago, I promised to prioritize the transformation of our infrastructure networks, recognizing them as the arteries through which our economy thrives and our people connect. The extension of the I-6 represents more than just a road. It symbolizes connectivity, accessibility, and opportunity. It signifies our unwavering determination to bridge the gap between urban and rural areas, ensuring that development is not confined to city centers, but reaches every corner of our great nation. But let us not forget that this is just one of the many projects that have been completed across the FCT. There are still many more strategic projects in the pipeline, each designed to address the evolving needs of our growing federal capital. From upgrading existing infrastructure to initiating new projects, we are laying the groundwork for a more sustainable and prosperous future. As we celebrate this achievement, it is crucial once again to acknowledge the concerted efforts of the FCT Minister, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike and his team, all stakeholders involved, including private sector partners. As I said the last time, Wike is a force of human nature. Love him, hate him, but you can't ignore him, because at every point in time, he's striving to redefine the meaning and concept of leadership. Wike is one of the best appointments ever made in the history of the current democratic dispensation in this country. And we have to commend Mr. President for the vision, for the wisdom, and the courage to appoint Barrister Nyesom Wike as the Minister of the FCT. There were loud protests when his name was initially mentioned, but I believe all my brothers and sisters who oppose his appointment are now hailing him. He's an exemplary leader worthy of emulation by us all. He's a gadfly, a very mercurial character. Unfortunately, leadership has toned down that tempo. The whole political space is populated by careful snails who do not want to disturb the apple cart. But now he has stopped dancing, he has stopped singing, but he is still performing. In the coming months and years, we'll continue to prioritize infrastructural development as a cornerstone of our renewed hope agenda. We remain committed to delivering on our promises, empowering our people, and building a nation that we can all be proud of. It's my singular honor and pleasure, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to commission the extension of our Inner Southern Expressway I-6 from the Outer Southern Expressway O-6 to the Southern Parkway, to the glory of the Almighty God and service to humanity. Thank you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.